Amway business owners are highly enthusiastic. They all carry big dreams, aspire to have such a career that can secure generations to come. Success is their aspiration and belief is their strength. Working day and night to achieve all of it. Ambitious and committed. Amway as an organization values all of it, and that's why Amway is constantly upgrading its technologies to increase the ease of doing the business. This time, Amway India is proud to launch the first ever mobile app to increase the ease of doing Amway business. Available on all app stores. Download today and you can manage your business while you are on the go. With this app, you can place an order with just one click to buy Amway products, showcase Amway's global presence, learn and recommend Amway products to your customers, learn to demonstrate Amway products and be more equipped to answer customer queries. You can also share videos with customers and prospects. Plan your bonuses and retail income. Use various tools for prospecting and building your business. Keep yourself updated about the exciting upcoming Amway business seminars and many more features that will help grow your Amway business like never before. For Platinums and above leaders in the Amway business, you have an opportunity to get the Amway India app preloaded in a tab given by Amway. Enhance your business through this fully loaded digital toolbox. Amway India app for supporting you in your success journey.